We used to talk about marketing in terms of funnel. You know, the drill, awareness at the top, consideration in the middle, decision at the bottom. It was clean, it was simple, it made marketers feel like we had control. But here's the truth: the funnel is dead. Let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright. People don't move in straight lines anymore. They zigzag, they loop, they jump in at the middle, disappear, reappear 6 months later, then buy because of a podcast they listened to at the gym after ignoring your emails for months. That's not a funnel, that's a maze. And if you're still designing campaigns based on a clean, linear customer journey, you're operating in a fantasy world. Let's get real. Today's buyer might first hear about you on a TikTok. Then they see your retargeting ad on Instagram. Then they Google you, but click on a competitor's site. And then they read a Reddit thread trashing both of you. Then they see a friend recommend you on LinkedIn. Then they visit your site again. And maybe they convert. Oh, it's exhausting. Or maybe they don't convert. Not because your funnel was broken, but because your model of reality was broken. So what do? We stop building funnels. We start designing systems. Systems that follow people across platforms. Systems that deliver the right messages at the right moment, no matter where they enter. Systems that embrace chaos without losing strategy. This isn't about throwing spaghetti at the wall. This is about building a marketing infrastructure that's responsive, fluid, and customer-centric. That means real-time targeting that doesn't feel creepy, cross-channel creative that tells a cohesive story, a content strategy that builds trust in micro moments, data models that account for delay, distraction, and re-engagement, and most importantly, marketing that respects attention. Because attention is currency. The rest are just tools. So next time someone hands you a neat little funnel diagram, smile politely and then go build something messy, powerful, and real. Long live the maze. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute.